Welcome back to Our Issues Milwaukee. I'm your host, Andrea Williams. If you're just joining us, our focus this morning has been on your health. The impact of the coronavirus on food insecurity this year, combining analyses at the national, state, county, and congressional district levels. The number of people who are food insecure in 2020 could rise to more than 50 million. That's including 17 million children. My next guests understand the need that exists right here in our community and are working together to make a difference. Michelle Grant is the Chief Operations Officer for Milwaukee Health Services Incorporated, and Patti Habeck is the President and CEO of Feeding America Eastern Wisconsin. Good morning, ladies.
Good
Good
morning.
morning. Good morning.
I appreciate you both being here. And Feeding America Eastern Wisconsin is the largest hunger relief organization in the state. And Milwaukee Health Services Incorporated is a private nonprofit, federally qualified community health center that provides a range of primary medical, dental, podiatry, and behavioral, as well as specialty services to the community. So, as I mentioned, you all have collaborated for a holiday dinner giveaway on Friday, December 18th. Michelle, we'll start with you. Fill us in on this event.
Sure. The event this year is going to be held on Friday, December 18th at the Isaac Cox Heritage Health location, which is located on 82nd and Silver Spring Drive. And so, as usual, we've worked with Feeding America many times on providing food to the community. Again, this is our holiday dinner, which we hold around Christmas time. I think we started off with maybe like 500 meals, and this year we're planning on providing 2,000 because
Wow.
the need is so great in the community. It's astounding. Yes.
Yeah. And Patty, if you would talk about the importance of partnerships like this.
Absolutely. We know, especially during this pandemic, we know that there is so much need out there and so many families that are struggling. And so when we partner with really great organizations to make sure that we can move food out into the community to where it's needed most, it really it helps us achieve our mission, and it really makes us feel very good about making sure that the food that gets donated to us reaches people who are most in need.
Absolutely. So, has this pandemic, and I know the answer to this already, talk about how it has increased, the pandemic has increased the need for food?
From our perspective, we couldn't have predicted the need. There was need in this community prior to the pandemic, with both of our health centers located in food deserts, meaning there's not grocery stores nearby,
Mhm.
where people can buy healthy food. Um, personally, I was just amazed, at how great the need is. For Thanksgiving, we planned 2,000, which was over the 1,700 we did last year, and we ended up doing 2,500 because the calls just kept coming in, just kept coming in. And so this year at COGS, which is usually a smaller event, we had to more than double the number based on what we saw a few weeks ago.
Yeah, and I've been at many of those events, so I
Yeah.
know what the crowd looks like, and it's just a blessing that you're there to help. Patty, your thoughts on this pandemic and the increase in need?
Yes, I think Michelle summed it up very well. Is people just keep coming, and what we're seeing is our increase about 36% of a sustained increase, and that translates to just so many. But behind that, these are families, and these are people and children with names and stories. And what we're seeing that really is concerning is so many are first time to the hunger relief system, and they're waiting a long time to ask for help just because they're so used to being able to take care on their own, and then now having to reach out for help. And so we're seeing an urgency as well that we haven't seen before. And so so many kudos go out to the frontline staff members that are working with families and community, like Michelle and Milwaukee Health Services. We're just so pleased to have them there to make sure that all families are connected to food.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's an interesting point that you bring up. Statistics show us that 4 in 10 Americans say the COVID-19 pandemic is the very first time that they've experienced needing a little extra help when putting food on the table. So, like I said, it is a blessing that you both are able to collaborate and really help out those families who are needing just a little extra help this time around. Michelle, Milwaukee Health Services Incorporated will also be handing out COVID-19 safety kits. And it's sometimes assumed that everyone has access to masks and everyone has access to hand sanitizer and things of that nature, but that's not always the case, right?
You're absolutely right. And so since the outbreak, since the pandemic has started, our president and CEO has understood that people can't always afford or have access to, even as to these supplies, because even as a health center, when this pandemic first hit, everybody was put, all the orders were put on hold because everybody's looking for the same thing. So we provide safety kits. We've been doing it since the pandemic outbreak. We're looking to try to create a central location for the community to receive kits that include a mask, wipes, hand sanitizer, and even instructions on hand washing and things like that, because it's not available. And it's not as readily available as it should be.
Yes. And Patty, I think it's important to give you the opportunity to tell those who are watching how they can help donate to Feeding America Eastern Wisconsin. What exactly can people do to help?
Well, what we always say is what we need three things: food, funds, and friends. And so what that means is, wherever you are in your life, if you have the ability to help another person right now, either reach out and make a donation to Feeding America Eastern Wisconsin, and we will make sure we get that to turn that into food and get that out, or to a local pantry or other nonprofit organizations serving those in most need. We also encourage volunteerism. We are still taking volunteers, and that's very important. We're doing it in smaller groups. So please do visit our website and look how you can bring yourself or your family or your work group out to volunteer and help us make sure that we're moving the food as fast as possible so it reaches organizations like Michelle's.
Absolutely. And what I want to do is go over the details once again for this holiday dinner giveaway. It's happening on Friday, December 18th. Milwaukee Health Services Incorporated, along with friends like Feeding America, Eastern Wisconsin, and a lot of other community businesses and organizations will be handing out food for holiday dinners from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. There's one per household while those supplies last. It's drive-through service only. No walk-up service will be available. And that's happening again at the Isaac Cox Heritage Health Center, 8200 West Silver Spring Drive. For more information, call 414-267-2655. Or, of course, you can visit their website at mhsi.org. And keep in mind, a mask is required and social distancing will be enforced. Ladies, thank you so much for your time and all that you do.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Michelle Grant's the Chief Operations Officer for Milwaukee Health Services Incorporated, and Patti Habeck is the President and CEO of Feeding America Eastern Wisconsin. We're going to take a quick break, and when we return to Our Issues Milwaukee, we'll switch our focus to mental health and tell you about a free event happening virtually on Saturday, December 19th. We'll do that right after this.